Candy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you what would be my August update, but it's also going to be a finale because we'll talk about it. To my whole collection project pan. So if you'd like to see the products I was working on, we were rolling out 6 of them. But we're just gonna roll everything out and I'm gonna call this done. This was where I used a roulette wheel to choose 10 products, rolling style, 5-use goal to rotate through my collection. And if a product wasn't used within 3 months at all, I would declutter it automatically, which didn't happen, but I wanted to write that down just in case. Emotional support coffee, it is Cosmic Brownie. I just feel like this is a filler project for me, and I'm just not having fun with it. Like, I feel like I'm rolling in like a steady stream of mostly new to me products. Some things on the list are older products to me, but it's mostly newer products. But I feel like I'm just trying to think of how I want to word it. I'm sorry. Then I was trying to get the Cosmic Brownie pieces out of my mouth. With all the other projects that I have going on, and I just started Throwback 30, which was rolling in 30 products all at once. And then I have Spooky A to Z, which is my personal project that I do, where I'm going to be rolling in 26 more new products. And that starts October 1st. I just don't think I also need to have this project. Granted, it's only 5 uses on the product, so it's really not that hard or that big of a deal. But I just feel with the other projects I'm currently working on, I'm rotating through my collection. My box of brand new products is so small. It's dwindling down so very, as I knock over all the lipsticks. That's fine. They can stay knocked over. But I have Clue that I can roll things into. I have Beautyland I can roll things into. I have Panoply. I have Deck of Panning. So I have a lot of other projects that I can still roll products into. And I'm going to keep my wheel the way that it is. So when I get new products, I can put them in the wheel so that if and when I want to come back to this project, the wheel is still there. But for now, I think I'm just going to call this project done because I'm just not enjoying it and having fun. And the whole point of my channel is to have fun and enjoy the projects that I'm doing while using my makeup. And I'm using my makeup. So let's just get into what the update would be. So the product, they've all been in for the same amount of time, so we're just going to go down my list. We had the Lith lipstick in Peony, which looks like so. And she got her 5 uses. So I used it 4 times in the last update to get my 5 uses. And yeah, it's a pretty lipstick. I like it more because, as I said in my last update, these 2 lipsticks are very similar and they both rolled in at the same time. This is the Kulfi lipstick in Bangle Box, which is on my lips today that we'll talk about next. I like the Lith lipstick more. Let me swatch them for you because we're here and we can talk about it. So there's the Lith lipstick. It's just a more satin, creamy formula. They're both nice. This is Kulfi Bangle Box. Very pretty. I got it on clearance at Marshall's. They're so similar. They are ungodly similar, and I don't need them both, but I kind of want them both. But I like the Lith lipstick more, so I'm debating on decluttering this one. I haven't completely decided, but I do like the Lith lipstick more. The Lith got its 5 uses. The Kulfi only has 2 uses because I was focusing on the Lith lipstick because I like it better. This one, like I said, it's on my lips today. And it's fine. I don't know. There's something about it that it's just, I don't know. I just like the lip one more than this Kokie one. And I feel like if I'm gonna have two of like the extremely similar lipsticks in my collection, that I should just pick one. When my lipstick collection, my lip collection in general, is so large, I don't need both. So I think I'm probably going to declutter the Kokie one and just keep the lipstick, because I know I like it better and I'm always gonna reach for it over it. But that is my to-do on those lipsticks. Then we had the Give Me Glow blush. This is one of my dream glow blushes in the shade Hey Honey, which I had never used. Let's just swatch everything because it's the finale, so why not, in case this is the first video you're seeing. It's a yellow blush. It's so pretty. It has like a rosy undertone and it's gorgeous. I was so nervous to try this for the first time because I've never used like a yellow blush, but it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. I got all my uses so quickly. Loved this. She was beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Let me get out a makeup wipe. Gimme. As I pull out two. Gimme. My Lanta. Stick that one back in there. And there we go. So then we had the Jeffree Star lipstick in Red Rum. And this is my red lipstick. I got 3 out of 5 uses. One of those uses I used as an eye base. It stained horribly. I mean, it worked, but it stained. And then one of those uses, I tried it as a blush, which was beautiful, but I don't love it as a lipstick, and I don't need it as a cream blush. I'm never gonna use it as an eye base, so I'm gonna declutter this guy. I have 2 other red lipsticks, because one, I wear a red lipstick like 6 times a year. Not even once a month. So I don't need 3 red lipsticks, and I just don't like this red lip. I just don't. I prefer my other 2 red lips that are very different that I have. This one it has a pink, and you can even see on the edges that it like has this pink to it, and I just don't like that. So this is gonna go as well. That is going to be decluttered from my collection. Then we have the LA Girl. It's technically a blush, but I have it with my bronzers because I use it as a contour. And it's in the shade Just Because. And this was super easy to get all 5 uses on. It is a beautiful contour shade. So, yeah, super easy. Enjoyed it. Was nice. Then we had my NYX eyeliner in Always Onyx. This was brand new to me. I was in the mood for a black eyeliner, and I like NYX liners. So I picked this up, and it's just a traditional black eyeliner. But yeah, works great. Liked it. Got all my 5 uses. Was happy to have it. No complaints. I actually kind of want to get a white eyeliner, which traditionally I remember I used to way back in the day have a white eyeliner, and I hated it because of how stark it was, which is why I have a nude eyeliner. But like, I kind of want to try a white eyeliner again, so I might pick one up, but otherwise I think I'm good on eyeliners. Then we have the Too Faced Diamond Fire Highlight, which is this guy. So this shifts like green. It's beautiful. I love this highlighter. It only got 3 of its uses because like a green highlighter is not something I'm going to wear every day. I'm going to wear it with green or like blue looks, and I could have probably worn it, but like this is too warm for a green highlighter. So this needs to get more use out of me, considering this is like one of my oldest highlighters, but I'm happy it got some use. I honestly should put this back in the wheel, and I might do that. We have the Beauty Vault lip liner in Sweet Suki. This was gorgeous. It's just a pinky nude lip liner. These Beauty Vault lip liners are a gorgeous formula. I got all 5 of my uses. I've used 2 out of 3 of these now. I still have 1 more color to use, but the 2 I've used I really enjoy and like, and it was easy to use. No complaints. And then we have my Beauty Creations lipstick. It's a collab with Louis Castro, and it's in the shade Cheeto, which looks like this. And it's just like a warm brown, but it's a really nice formula. It's a warmer nude than most of my other nudes, so I'm going to keep it. It only got 3 of its uses because I just don't normally pull for a warm lipstick, but when I do, I really enjoyed this. It's a nice formula, pretty lipstick. I might put this back in the wheel too because I'm keeping it and it didn't get all of its uses, but it was nice. And then last but not least, we have the Wet n Wild Fluffy Blush in Rose the Roof, which looks like this. If you saw my Throwback 30, I'm trying to finish the bronzer because it's a beautiful formula. There's the blush. This is a gorgeous shade and it's a gorgeous formula, but I hate the packaging on these. It is so ungodly small that I can't get my brushes or a sponge. I mean, I wouldn't want to apply these with a sponge because you could probably shove a sponge in there, but I can't get my brushes into these pots. So the way I apply it that I feel like works the most seamlessly is I take my finger and I dot it onto the face and then I apply it with a brush from there. But that's how I apply the bronzer as well. I dip my finger in the bronzer, dot it on the face, and then I use my brush. But I just don't like this packaging, so I want to get these out of my collection because I wouldn't repurchase these, but I like this shade. It's a pretty pink. I like the formula, but I don't like the packaging, so, But I got all 5 of my uses on the blush. It was easy, because again, gorgeous formula, gorgeous shade, goes with everything. So that is everything, like I said. So I'm decluttering 2 lipsticks. 2 items are gonna go back in my wheel for whenever I do this project again, or if I need to roll random things into a project, what have you. So those 2 items are going to go back into the wheel because I didn't hit my usage goal on them, and I just think that that's fair, to be honest. Oh, the eyeliner. The eyeliners never want to come off. But otherwise, that is going to do it. I hope you guys don't mind. I know you guys never mind when I end projects early or do whatever because you're just along for the ride as well. But that's just how I'm feeling currently, is I just don't want to do this. Feels like an unnecessary step and project in my collection, and I just don't want to have that. So I'll bring this back if and when I feel like it. I feel like that's how I felt the last time I did this project, was it was unnecessary. But I was missing a project in my collection because we were in between projects starting, which is why I started this one up again, because I was just missing having something. So like, it was a filler for the time that I needed it, but now I've started projects, I'm good. So I guess we'll bring her back if and when we need her, but for now it's going to be done, and I hope you enjoyed watching my 2026 whole collection project pan while I did it. But that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!